Maharashtra State Board of Nursing and Paramedical Education, Regular Batch, Second Year GNM, Medical Surgical Nursing Paper 1, August 2025. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate answer. 1. Dash invented penicillin. A. Alexander Fleming. B. William Cave. C. Humphrey Davy. D. Robert Koch. Answer is A. Alexander Fleming. 2. Normal range of uric acid in the blood is dash milligram per dl. A. 2.5 to 8. B. 0.3 to 0.7. C. 10 to 25. D. 25 to 75. Answer is A. 2.5 to 8. 3. Endoscopy is done in dash. A. Heart disease. B. Esophageal disease. C. Renal disease. D. Gynec disease. Answer is B. Esophageal disease. 4. Thrombocytopenia is decrease in the dash count. A. RBC. B. Platelet. C. Lymphocyte. D. Leukocyte. Answer is B. Platelet. 5. Helicobacter pylori is responsible to cause dash. A. Dysentery. B. Peptic ulcer. C. Typhoid. D. Appendicitis. Answer is B. Peptic ulcer. Match the following. 1. Hypocalcemia. Answer is B. Electrolyte imbalance. 2. Inspection. Answer is A. Physical examination. 3. Pyloric stenosis. Answer is D. Ramsted's operation. 4. Cushing syndrome. Answer is E. Moon's phase. 5. Acute renal failure. Answer is C. Hemodialysis. State true or false. 1. Rabipur is used for prophylaxis of dog bite. Answer is true. 2. Fumigation is a process of gaseous sterilization. Answer is true. 3. Colicky pain in flank region is suggestive of renal calculi. Answer is true. 4. Prone position is used for surgeries on the spinal cord. Answer is true. 5. Parkinson's disease caused due to higher level of dopamine. Answer is false. Question number 2. Write short notes on any three. A. Nurse's role in blood transfusion. B. Anaphylaxis. C. Bronchodilators. D. Complication after general surgery. E. Glasgow Coma Scale. Question number 3. Differentiate between any three. A. General anesthesia and spinal anesthesia. B. Hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. C. Rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. D. Hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. Define intestinal obstruction and write down the causes of intestinal obstruction. B. What is the medical and surgical management of intestinal obstruction? C. Write in detail the nursing management of intestinal obstruction. Or A. What is diabetes mellitus? B. Write the types and clinical features of diabetes mellitus. C. Write medical and nursing management of diabetes mellitus. D. Write the complication of diabetes mellitus. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. A. What is renal failure? B. What are the clinical manifestation of acute renal failure? C. What is the medical management of acute renal failure? D. Write in detail about nursing care of patient with acute renal failure. This is the Marathi question paper of Medical Surgical 1. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper. Medical Surgical Nursing Paper 2. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate option. 1. Removal of whole breast is known as dash. A. Mastectomy. B. Breast reconstructive. C. Breast sparing surgery. D. Mastoiditis. Answer is A. Mastectomy. 2. Circumcision operation is done in dash. A. CA prostate. B. Testicular tumor. C. Phimosis. D. Orchitis. Answer is C. Phimosis. 3. Montauk's test is done in dash. A. Diabetes. B. Tuberculosis. C. Hypertension. D. Bronchial asthma. Answer is B. Tuberculosis. 4. Dash is the normal range of hemoglobin for adult female. A. 8 to 10 gram per dl. B. 10 to 12 gram per dl. C. 12 to 16 gram per dl. D. 16 to 20 gram per dl. Answer is C. 12 to 16 gram per dl. 5. Homan sign is the symptom of dash. A. Berger's disease. B. Mitral stenosis. C. Deep vein thrombosis. D. Raynaud's phenomenon. Answer is C. Deep vein thrombosis. Match the following. 1. Myocardial infarction. Answer is C. Streptokinase. 2. Peritonsillar abscess. Answer is A. quinsy. 3. Christmas factor. Answer is E. Hemophilia. 4. Opisthotonus. Answer is B. Tetanus. 5. CD4 count. Answer is D. AIDS. State true or false. 1. Tuberculosis is caused by M. africanum. Answer is false. 2. Bell's palsy is caused by paralysis of facial nerve. Answer is true. 3. Osteoporosis is a disorder in which there is increasing bone density. Answer is false. 4. Hypermetropia is corrected with convex. Answer is true. 5. Angina pectoris occurs due to insufficient blood flow to the myocardium. Answer is true. Question number 2. Write short notes on any 3. A. Care of tracheostomy patient. B. Epistaxis. C. Eye bag. D. Nursing care of burns patient. Question number 3. Differentiate between A. Angina pectoris and myocardial infarction. B. Active immunity and passive immunity. C. Thrombosis and embolism. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. Define hypertension and write its etiological factors. B. Write clinical manifestation and investigation of hypertension. C. Write medical and nursing management of hypertension. Or A. Write about otitis media. B. Typhoid fever. C. Nursing management of patient receiving chemotherapy. Question number 5. Mr. Anil, age 62 years, admitted in medical ward with dyspnea, chest pain, diagnosed as CCF. Answer the following questions. A. Define congestive cardiac failure and write down its sign and symptoms. B. Write investigation and medical management of CCF. C. Write nursing management of Mr. Anil. This is the Marathi question paper of Medical Surgical Nursing 2. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper. Mental Health and Psychiatric Nursing, Paper 3. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate words. 1. Pica is disorder of dash. A. Motor activity. B. Speaking. C. Sleeping. D. Eating. Answer is D. Eating. 2. Elevation of mood is features of dash. A. Mania. B. Depression. C. Schizophrenia. D. Dementia. Answer is A. Mania. 3. Dementia is dash disorder. A. Neurosis. B. Psychosis. C. Organic mental. D. Anxiety. Answer is C. Organic mental. 4. Dash is psychosomatic disorder. A. Conversion disorder. B. Bronchial asthma. C. Mania. D. Mental retardation. Answer is A. Conversion disorder. 5. Neuroleptic drugs are also called as dash. A. Antipsychotics. B. Mood stabilizer. C. Anti-anxiety. D. Anti-mania. Answer is A. Antipsychotic. Match the following. 1. Delusion of grandiosity. Answer is C. Mania. 2. Enuresis. Answer is A. Bedwetting. 3. Juvenile delinquency. Answer is B. Remand home. 4. Disorder of perception. Answer is E. Hallucination. 5. Disorder of memory. Answer is D. Amnesia. State true or false. 1. IQ less than 20 is profound mental retardation. Answer is true. 2. Aversion therapy is used to treat phobia. Answer is false. 3. Awareness of abnormal behavior disorder is known as insight. Answer is true. 4. Mentally ill person gets cured after marriage. Answer is false. 5. Intentional human art of killing oneself is called as suicide. Answer is true. Question number 2. Write short notes on any three. A. Suicide prevention and management. B. Legal responsibilities of psychiatric nurse. C. Modified electroconvulsion therapy. D. Role of nurse in community mental health services. Question number 3. Differentiate between A. Occupation therapy and behavioral therapy. B. Anxiety and phobia. C. Organic psychosis and functional psychosis. Question number 4. Miss Reena, 33 years old female patient, is known case of schizophrenia and admitted in psychiatric ward. Answer the following questions. A. Define schizophrenia. B. Enlist the types of schizophrenia. C. Explain first rank symptoms of schizophrenia. D. Describe etiological theories of schizophrenia. E. Discuss psychiatric and nursing management of Miss Reena. Or Miss Swati, 56-year-old female, admitted in mental health hospital. She is diagnosed with delirium. Answer the following questions. A. Define organic mental disorder. B. Explain various causes of delirium. C. Write clinical factors of delirium. D. Discuss in detail psychiatric and nursing management of Miss Swati. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. A. Discuss issues and trends in psychiatric nursing. B. Explain the principles of mental health nursing. C. Describe phases of therapeutic nurse-patient relationship. This is the Marathi question paper of mental health nursing. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper. Child health nursing, paper 4. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate option from the following. 1. Mumps affect dash gland. A. Endocrine. B. Parotid. C. Sebaceous. D. Inguinal. Answer is B. Parotid. 2. Children between age group of dash are referred as preschooler. A. 1 to 2 years. B. 3 to 6 years. C. 0 to 3 years. D. 1 to 3 years. Answer is B. 3 to 6 years. 3. Deficiency of vitamin A causes dash. A. Night blindness. B. Rickets. C. Beriberi. D. Kwashiorkor. Answer is A. Night blindness. 4. Chronic kidney disease in children causes dash. A. Rickets. B. Anemia. C. Tuberculosis. D. Scurvy. Answer is B. Anemia. 5. In newborn resuscitation, first dash minute is considered as golden minute. A. 6. B. 1. C. 2. D. 4. Answer is B. 1 minute. Match the following. First, locked jaw. Answer is E. Tetanus. 2. Septal defect. Answer is D. Heart disease. 3. Projectile vomiting. Answer is A. Pyloric stenosis. 4. Obesity. Answer is B. Cushing syndrome. 5. Deworming. Answer is C. Albendazole. State true or false. 1. Tuberculosis is a communicable disease. Answer is true. 2. Vitamin D is fat soluble. Answer is true. 3. Infant is able to walk with support at 6 to 8 months of age. Answer is false. 4. Complementary feeding starts at the age of 3 months. Answer is false. 5. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. Answer is true. Question number 2. Write short notes on any three. A. Principles of growth and development. B. Advantages of breastfeeding. C. Trends in pediatric nursing. D. Mental retardation. Question number 3. Answer the following questions, any three. A. Play therapy. B. Immunization schedule. C. Phototherapy. D. Cerebral palsy. Question number 4. 5 years old Master Amit is admitted in pediatric ward with the complaints of tonsillitis. Answer the following questions. A. Define tonsillitis. B. List down the causes and clinical features of tonsillitis. C. Write down the surgical and nursing management of for Master Amit. D. Write health education for him. Or 10 years old Poonam having abdominal discomfort and irritability is admitted in pediatric ward. She is diagnosed with Hirschsprung disease. Answer the following questions. A. List down the causes and investigations of Hirschsprung disease. B. Write signs and symptoms of Hirschsprung disease. C. Write the surgical and nursing management for Poonam. D. What health advice you will give to Poonam's parents at the time of discharge. Question number 5. Ria, 4 months child, is admitted in pediatric ward with increased head circumference and increased intracranial pressure. She is diagnosed with hydrocephalus. Answer the following questions. A. Define hydrocephalus and explain causes of hydrocephalus. B. Explain the signs and symptoms of hydrocephalus. C. Describe medical and nursing management. Write the health education for Miss Ria. This is the Marathi question paper of child health nursing. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper.